One of the best diesel engines ever made right here, folks. 3406B, 425 horsepower. Old mechanical. This is an air-to-air 3406B, so it's a later one. Got some blow by. I mean, it's not terrible for 1.4 million. If it's ever even been in frame, I don't know if it's been rebuilt or not. Frame's nice and clean. Single drive axle, obviously. I'll tell you what, this would make one heck of a tractor hauling rig with the pintle hitch and everything. I ought to sell my 7.3 and buy this. I feel like it would be cheaper in the long run, probably. But I don't know. Frame looks good. The spring hangers look decent. No rot anywhere. This is a California truck, by the way. Upgraded seat. I just love the sound of a mechanical cat. You can't get any better than that. Got good oil pressure. Seems to build air all right. Fan clutch works. Air conditioning works. A little noisy though. Yeah, cab needs a good cleaning, I think, but not terrible, honestly. Be a good little project. I test drove this truck the other day. The brakes all work well. Shifts in and out of gear all right. I mean, the transmission's a little sloppy, but I think it's original to this truck. So it's got some wear, you know, probably 1.4 million worth of wear on it if I had to guess. This is a standard hood, not short hood. There's no such thing as a short hood 379, only standard and long, or standard and extended. It'd make a heck of a tractor hauler or a motorhome toter or whatever you want it to be. We don't see these come into the local auction yard here too often, so I figured I'd do a walk around on it real quick. Let me know what you guys think.